Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel, DIY Natural Skincare. So today, no, not gonna be a DIY recipe, but gonna be next week. But today I'm just gonna talk again about the sunscreens which I got from STYLEVANA.com. So it's a little, sunscreen haul from STYLEVANA. So they all are here. STYLEVANA is selling products online from Asian market, which is made, skincare products from Korea, Japan, and other Asian countries. So these are the sunscreens. I got it, okay? They are all really cool. I tried them already. So just wanted to share with you a little bit about each of them. So let us talk a bit. So as you probably know, and if you was checking my previous video about the sunscreens, which I was talking, about the difference between chemical sunscreens and physical sunscreens, and there SPF 30 to choose or SPF 50, what's the difference in them. And you probably remember me saying that all those sunscreens which I have at the moment, two chemical and two physical sunscreens, they are not good for my face, The physical sunscreens leaves a really strong white cast, and it doesn't absorb into the skin. It just stays, this little oily stuff on my skin, which is, I don't like it, My skin is oily already, so I need some lightweight sunscreens. So that's why I was doing a lot of research and I check online and I see a lot of good reviews about this sunscreen. So this sunscreen is Innisfree and hyaluronic acid watery gel, and it has 8 types of different hyaluronic acids. And this one, it's so I went online and I wanted to buy it, and I saw on Amazon it was like around 20 euros and plus delivery, and I'm like, okay, maybe not. And then I saw the STYLEVANA website, and I decided just to browse it, and I ordered. So I ordered this sunscreen and I ordered another 5 sunscreens. So all of those 6 sunscreens, they was like top 6 sunscreens by the popularity. So, and I'm just like, okay, I'm just gonna get them just to get my kind of free delivery, because STYLEVANA is shipping to Europe, to most of the countries, not all of the countries, and with the free delivery over 49 euros or so. So, and I'm like, okay, summer here, I need the sunscreens for my face, very good, lightweighted, fast absorbing sunscreens. So that's why I decided to buy a few of them just to try it out, and that's why I'm sharing this today with you. So first goes is in 3, yeah? So it's 50 milliliters, and STYLEVANA, this cost 12 euros, okay? Which is okay price. It's not too bad price. This is a chemical sunscreen, and it's a super light. It's in a white. It comes white. It's like a watery gel, so it's super light, and straight away, as you see, it absorbs into the skin. And it doesn't really have a smell, although it does contain alcohol, but as well, it contains niacinamide, which is good for your skin, especially if you have acne, acne prone skin or combination skin, this one sunscreen is really good, and it has the high protection SPF 50 plus and PA+++, so it's a broad spectrum sunscreen. So it's really good, and it's really cool that you can use it it's really good for combination skin, oily skin. It does not clog your pores, like for example, this sunscreen, okay? It does not clog your pores, so it's really good, and I really like it. And what does hyaluronic acid does, it keeps your skin from dehydration, okay? So it retains the moisture into your skin, so it's really good. So it's actually, you can use it just, on top, instead of your moisturizer or something. So this one, it's really cool. 12 euros from STYLEVANA and 50 mils. Yes. Another one, and this is made in Korea. So another one, Pure UV, it's watery essence as well. It's very similar to this, because this one, it does contain a hyaluronic acid as well. This one is from Japan though, but what it does have, which I don't like it, As you see, it's like a little watery gel, but it's super, you can smell alcohol straight away. It's way too strong alcohol smell. It's a broad spectrum as well. It's with fragrance as well, which is not the best. It's super alcohol. Its smell is too alcoholic, I know. But it's a broad spectrum. It's chemical. It has some titanium dioxide, I think so. A little bit of kind of physical sunscreen. What else is here? But yeah, it's absorbs into your skin perfectly. It's very good for your combination oily skin. So these two are kind of very similar here. Then what I have in here, it's made in Tokyo, so it's handmade, and it's mermaid skin gel. So again, it's a gel, okay, and it's a broad spectrum as well, SPF 50 plus, BA plus 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 plus. And it's 40 grams. For 40 grams, this was 11 euros. Sorry, this was 50 milliliters and 14 or 15 euros. So for 40 grams, 11 euros. This one, I really love this because it has no fragrance, no essential oils, and it has no alcohol in it. And it is semi-chemical and semi-physical sunscreen because it does contain some zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. And as well, it absorbs into the skin, fast. It has no smell because it has no essential oils or any fragrances. So I really like this, and yeah, made in Tokyo, very good. And as well, all of these will be perfect for your oily combination skin if you have one, which I do. Then I got these are the Mishas. So these are the Mishas. Misha is very popular Korean skincare brand in Asia, and they are now getting into the market in US. Not now, but yeah. So this one is Essence, and it's SPF 45 and BA+++, so it's 3 pluses here. And yeah, it's 50 milliliters, was 8 euros, so the price is fine. And this one, what it is, this one, like this was very watery and jelly. So this one, it's kind of, it works as a moisturizer. It has this emollient properties, so you easily use it, instead of your moisturizer, and at the same time, it will absorb well into the skin and moisturize the skin. But this one, but this one, it's a chemical sunscreen. As well, it contains alcohol and fragrance, so you have to be careful, if you have a super sensitive skin and the sunscreens which contains alcohol and fragrance, you have to be careful to putting on your skin, and especially around the eye area, because you should put your sunscreen onto eyelids, so just be careful with this. So another one from Misha is Aqua Gel. So again, this one is Aqua Gel. It's full broad spectrum protection, and Aqua Gel is like these first 3 ones which I had it. So it's super light consistency, It has a little bit of smell. You can smell some fragrance, some like citrusy or something, but it's not much. It disappears very well, and is chemical sunscreen as well. It contains alcohol and it contains fragrance. So as you see, straight away, it just literally disappears into your skin, which is very good, and it does not clog your pores. And like all of those sunscreens, they are very good for combination on oily skin, which is my skin, and acne prone skin. So it's super, super good. And the last one, but not least, this actually a little 30 mils sunscreen, and it's Sunbeers strong sunscreen. It's 30 mils, and it cost me like 6 euros or something. It's very watery, but the best thing is that this is as well. It's semi-physical, chemical sunscreen. It does contain some titanium dioxide, I think, and zinc oxide. It smells lovely. It smells like chewing gum, some bubbly, some chewing gum. It smells like sweets. It's really good, and as well, it's a water resistant, sweat resistant, and the best thing is it does not contain any alcohol or fragrance. So I really like them sunscreens, and they are really cool, I think so. But in my opinion, these probably will be my best to go. So this mermaid sunscreen, it's really cool because I love it. It doesn't contain any alcohol and any fragrance, and it's semi-physical, semi-chemical sunscreen, and it's made in Tokyo. I know that for 40 grams, 11 euros, it's a bit too pricey, but use it on your precious face, you know, especially if you have sensitive skin, you know, it will work very well. And as well, oily combination, acne prone skin as well. And try this one. I know that maybe the packaging, it's very kind of you know, not like the rest of them, but I mean, I like the ingredients, and it doesn't contain any alcohol, fragrance, and it's really cool. It's so super tiny, you see, it can just, you know, you can disappear in your hand, you know, so it's really cool. I really like it. And yes, I will use Misha's, but I don't think that I'm gonna buy them again, because it just contains alcohol, you know, and although the prices are good, both of them is like 8 euros, 8.50 for 50 mils, you know. But yeah, try it, and these ones too, they're similar, although they're not the same. But if I will have to choose between one or another, I will go with this, because Pure UV, okay, it's popular, it's made in Japan and all, but the alcohol content is too high in this. I think it's number 2 or number 3 on ingredient list. That means it's very too high alcohol content, and as well you can smell it, you know, it's really too much of it. But this one as well contains alcohol, but not as much, and it contains hyaluronic acid, 8 of the different types, which is very good for the skin, and it contains niacinamide, you know. So yeah, so my number 1 will definitely be Can Mermaid Skin Gel, and as well the watery sun gel. So I think I'm set and done for this summer with my face sunscreens. I will use them all, and I think it will be enough. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below which any of you're gonna get it, if you will. And I really suggest to check the Asian market and the website STYLEVANA, not only for skincare products, because I don't know about the skincare products or body care products, because I'm trying to make myself and to experiment with myself. But as I told you in my previous video before, you cannot make your own sunscreen, okay? So that's why I have to go and do a little bit of the shopping elsewhere. So yes, and these all sunscreens really good for your combination oily and acne prone skin, and it won't leave your skin so super full, you know, like any of these, for example. And super lightweighted, leaves the skin silky, glossy, smooth. And yeah, check it if you have a sensitive skin, you want to avoid any of them which contains a high percentage of alcohol, you know. So check it out. And yes, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next week. Bye.